Imagine having the time and energy to tackle every task on your to-do list, achieving your goals, and living your best life. Sound like a dream come true? You can make it a reality using a simple yet powerful tool called the Eisenhower Matrix. This decision-making framework is used by presidents, productivity experts, and successful entrepreneurs to prioritize tasks effectively. It's time to learn this trending technique and start achieving your goals like a pro. The Eisenhower Matrix is a simple grid that helps you categorize tasks into 4 quadrants based on their urgency and importance. The matrix is named after former U.S. President Dwight D. Eisenhower, who credited it for his ability to stay focused and get things done. By using this matrix, you can eliminate distractions, reduce stress, and make the most of your time. To set up your Eisenhower Matrix, start by drawing a simple grid on a piece of paper or using a digital tool like a spreadsheet or a task management app.